In this video, we're going to show you just how easy it is to assemble our Romance full hanging double wardrobe. All our wardrobes are supplied partially assembled in 2 boxes for easy access into the room of your choice. The Romance wardrobe is handmade and designed by us, including the method of assembly. The assembly instructions are included with the product, but can also be found on our website under the product listing page. All our products can be assembled with the provided Allen keys and a standard crosshead screwdriver. When using an Allen key, hand tighten the bolts as much as possible first, as this will save you time. Before fitting, ensure the sides are orientated correctly, with the tongue on the side panel matching the groove on the door section. Start by building the wardrobe stood up, by taking one of the side panels and aligning it with the door frame, making sure the tops are flush and the pole holder is at the top. Use 4 times bolt A to secure the 2 together. Take the remaining side panel, again with the pole holder at the top, and align it with the assembly. Use 4 times bolt A to secure it in place. The frame should now be self-supporting if sitting on a flat surface. Orient the back panel so that the supporting slats that form a cross shape are facing outwards. Make sure the top of the panels are flush before securing with 16 times screw C. We recommend fitting the door handles at this stage. Insert the bolt through the door while simultaneously holding the knob, then tighten fully. Carefully lower the top onto the wardrobe, aligning with the pre-inserted dowels, and securing with 4 times bolt A. Use a safety ladder to safely secure the top in place. Carefully lower the wardrobe onto its back. Take the base section of the wardrobe and with the decorative top edge facing upwards, slide it onto the assembly, aligning it with the pre-inserted dowels. Secure with 4 times bolt B. Holding the doors shut, you can now stand the wardrobe back up onto its base. On the rear of the wardrobe, take the pre-fitted brackets that are attached to the base section and turn them 90 degrees. Position them parallel to the edge and secure with the remaining 4 times screw F. Using 8 times screw C, secure the top and bottom of the door panel. Take this opportunity to check that your wardrobe doors are level. Both the top and bottom of each door should align, as well as the door handles themselves. Our wardrobes come with the doors pre-aligned and are designed with safety in mind, so all 4 feet will always touch the floor, no matter how uneven the surface. If, however, any further alignment is needed, you can use a suitable size spacer, available from any hardware store, to level the doors. With help from a second person, carefully place the spacer under each of the feet and visually check the doors for alignment. You will find a spacer under just one of the feet will successfully realign the doors. Check out our separate video for further information on aligning doors. To place the pole into the wardrobe, start by lifting one end into the top right-hand corner and take the other end and insert it into the left pole holder. Finally, drop the right-hand side into place. All our furniture includes a restraint that provides protection against tipping. Please see our accompanying video that demonstrates the installation process. There you have it, the beautifully designed, handmade Romance full hanging wardrobe. To find out more information about this product or any of the other ranges from furniture.co.uk, please check out the links accompanying this video.